The trial has continued, as the learned prosecuting counsel said. You know, they called the witness and then brought this video recording, which at the end of the day, you saw that the questions showed that video recording, its relevance is very doubtful. So we'll continue and we'll see how it pans out. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
The admissibility of that statement. We just want to add everything together. So all those statements were made in the presence of his lawyer. So and they were cautioned. So it's not. We don't have any fear about all those things. So during the address, we will hear us.
It seems, from what we saw, it seems like there was no lawyer.
No. The other video recording is different. Interview is different from the statement taken. So and they made that distinction. So the lawyers endorsed the statement. So I don't want to be commenting on the merit of the case. So what happened is we just call our first witness of trial within trial to show that those statements were voluntarily made.
So on the whole, how many witnesses?
It's just 2 witnesses we want to call for on that trial within trial, but the court cannot take us today. We'll continue with the next day. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.